Hello, and welcome to Texas Bar Practice. Our online subscriptions are now more useful than ever. The new free update allows users to highlight sections, add comments, and keep everything organized with annotations. To highlight, simply select the text. In the pop-up window, enter comments or notes. Once you're happy with your comment, click on Save to save the highlighted section. To view your saved annotations, click on Bookmarks in the left side column and scroll to Annotations by Chapter and Section. You will see the chapter and section number, as well as the title. To return to the exact spot within the online subscription, simply click on the annotation text. To edit annotations, hover over your highlighted text until the pop-up window appears, then click on the pencil icon. This will allow you to edit the annotation. Make sure to click Save to save your changes. To delete annotations, hover over the highlighted text and click on the X icon. You can also delete annotations from the Bookmarks page. Simply click on the trash can icon to delete it from your bookmarks. This brand new feature is available in all of our online subscription products, including the Texas Family Law Practice Manual online and the Texas Criminal Pattern Jury Charges. If you have any questions, please contact us at books@texasbar.com. Thank you, and practice well.